Pole position, Francois Bottas on his outside, the 55 of Emile Guillemeur. That's the front row. Then on the inside of the second row is Timmy Paris and Johan van Schalkwyk on his outside, followed there by Andre Lietze.
We just have to ask these youngsters standing up against the fence, please move back. Thank you very much. These are open-wheeled vehicles. They can climb the walls and the fences quite easily, so please, nobody up against the fences. Thank you.
Yeah, for your own safety. And then the 146 there of Stefan Slabber. Right, the Windsor flag goes down. And away they go, and Van Schalkwyk already up in the air, climbing onto the back of another guy, I think it was Guillemeur.
It was Emile Guillemeur.
And that's why we asked the people to stand back, FC, because that you can see how easy that could have turned ugly. Thank goodness it didn't.
Ja, dinge kan baie vinnig gebeur hier in die midget klas en dit is Emile Guillemeur wat op daai tweede ry weggespring het. Nou bevind hy homself tweede laaste in hierdie wedren, terwyl Francois Bottas die voortou neem daar in die voorkant in die 25. Dan Timmy Paris in die tweede plek, gevolg deur Van Schalkwyk, dan Andre Lietze in die vierde plek, gevolg deur Emile Guillemeur en dan Stefan Slabber.
But right up front is about that 25 midget of Francois Bottas. And it's fighters on here for second. It's Timothy Paris. He's got Van Schalkwyk right there with him. Behind Van Schalkwyk, it is the Frank Druckers outfit of Andre Lietze. Then it's the comeback kid there because he needs to come back. He's on the outside there of Lietze is Emile Guillemeur. But Lietze covering the line and Guillemeur finds himself in the loose.
Timmy wat daar nie losgesit het en nou helemaal weer terugval daar. Maar die man wat baie aanvallend is op hierdie stadium is daai 34 van Johan van Schalkwyk. Nou amper kontak gemaak daar met Timmy Paris. Na daai aanvanklike kontak met Emile Guillemeur. Deur die wyntydraai kom hulle nou saam. Bottas lei hulle, hy's reeds in die kuip draai en dan is dit Timmy Paris, Johan van Schalkwyk wat baie braaf is om aan die binnekant daarvan Paris te probeer deurkom. Dan is Andre Lietze in die vierde plek, gevolg deur Emile Guillemeur en dan die 146 daar van Stefan Slabber.
Keep an eye on that fight for second, third, fourth and fifth. That's what it's all about. Never mind the 25 of Bottas. That's working his way out of turn number one. And it's all about this fight for second. It's Paris, it's Van Schalkwyk, it's Lietze and Guillemeur. Second, third, fourth, fifth out of turn number one. And that second place for now has been held there by Timmy Paris. And he's pulling away there. Look at Guillemeur once again on the outside. Now looking up on the inside of Lietze, but Lietze has covered the line.
Lietze wat daai binneste lyn toe maak daar voor Emile Guillemeur. Guillemeur wat weer 'n bietjie met terugval, maar hierdie is uitstekende voorbereiding daar vir Timmy Paris wat gereed maak hier vir die nasionale kampioenskappe volgende naweek in PE daar voor Johan van Schalkwyk. Francois Bottas begin sy laaste ronde. Die wit vlag is uit vir Bottas. Dan Timmy Paris wat volgende die wit vlag gaan kom kry, gevolg deur Johan van Schalkwyk, Andre Lietze, Emile Guillemeur en Stefan Slabber.
One more corner to go for race leader, the 25 of Francois Bottas. He can slow it right down now. Victory belongs to Bottas, but it's not done for second and third yet. It is Timmy Paris, right in his case as Johan van Schalkwyk to the checkered flag. They're nearly side by side, but it's Paris that crosses the line ahead of Van Schalkwyk, followed there by